Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.
Hi guys! In today's video, I'm just going to show you the basic makeup I do before I start recording my video. Today's shout out goes to... First, I'm going to be applying my Ultra Face Base Primer from Revolution all over my face. Also now, we're going to start our eyebrows with the Revolution Brunette pencil. Now I'm going to stencil my eyebrow. So you got to have the eyebrow stencil in order to get the perfect shape. So I'm filling in my eyebrows and I'm on to the next one. So now I'm going to use my spoolie to blend the inner part of my eyebrow to give it a natural faded look. Now I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer and its toffee to clean up my eyebrows and try to use the concealer to get your eyebrow neat. Not to give it a shape, but to clean up the eyebrow and make it neater. Now I'm going to be using my brush to blend in my concealer. Just take your time and do it. Do not rush and blend it properly. So as you can see, I use a concealer to give around my eyes a bit or make it more clearer. So blend in the concealer and don't rush. Now we're going for the eye shades. So I'll be using my Morphe makeup palette and my More makeup palette. I'm just going to be doing a natural color and blend everything together. So maybe I'll be using the bronze and some golden color because I love those colors. And I'll be using my brush from Morphe, and I will also leave the link in the description box so you can have a look if you want to purchase it. So this is how I put my eyeshadow. I just make up some 3 colors and I just apply them to my eye and blend everything together. Remember to follow me on my Instagram, my Twitter and my Facebook page, and I might follow you back. Now I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer Fawn. So I'm just going to apply it at the edge of my eye and make sure I make my eyeshadow neat at the end. And now I'm going to be using my black eyeliner by Collection. So it's a liquid one, and then I'm just going to apply it at the top layer of my eye and make it look natural. Now I'm going to be using my Berry M mascara to just wet my eyelashes before I put my lashes. So I'm going to use my hair glue. Trust me, hair glue is good as well. And I'm using my Fuaxmink eyelashes and the eyelashes applier. And I'm just going to apply my lashes to my eyes. Girls, we are launching our own eyelashes and they are beautiful. Now I'm gonna be using my foundation brush by Studio, and I'm gonna use my Cosmetic foundation, and it's NW55 for my color skin. Now I am applying the foundation to my face, all over my face, my neck, all corners of my face, and I'm using the same brush to blend in my foundation properly, perfect, and to give my skin that flawless look. And whatever is left on your brush, you can use it on your neck. Now I'm gonna be using my LA Girl concealer, the shade Fawn, and I'm just gonna put it under my eye to highlight my eyes, my nose, and I'm gonna use my brush to blend it in, and make sure you blend it properly under your eyes and your chin to give it that flawless look. Now I'm gonna be using my luxury banana powder to give it a little bit more highlight underneath my eyes, my forehead, my nose, and my chin. Some people highlight the corner face, like the side of their face, but in this case I'm not doing it because this is just my natural makeup I do. Now I'm going to be using my brunnete by Morphe, and I'm just going to seal everything together, use it on my neck, everywhere, and seal and give it a perfect look. Now I'm going to be using the bronze at the bottom bit of my eyes. Then I'm going to use my mascara at the bottom of my eyes. Now we are using our oil control fixing spray by Revolution to set everything in. For the lip, I'm going with the lip gloss by Rimmel to give it a nice glossy look. There you go guys, I love this look, and this is my everyday makeup, or the makeup I put before I record my videos. This is all for today guys. Thank you very much for watching this video on how I put on my makeup before I start recording, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video so much. So if it's nice, beautiful, comment perfect. If I need improvement, or is anything you want, any tips you want to give me on how to improve on my makeup, please be welcome to comment down below and let me know. And also don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for more of my videos coming. And that's all guys, so I'll see you in my next video guys. Bye.